Right then, this is part 2. Now we've mixed it until it's starting to separate. It's turning into butter. As you can see, there's the buttermilk and the butter. Now what we need to do now is separate the buttermilk and the butter. So that's the buttermilk, and there's the new butter. So give it a good squeeze out, get all the buttermilk out of it. And you've squeezed all the buttermilk out of it. We've got a butter tub to put it in. To give it a really good squeeze and get all the buttermilk out. There's quite a lot in it. When you've got an expert like Caroline on the job, it'll be perfect.
Obviously you don't say people's names when you're doing things online.
Yeah.
So that's a bit messy, but your leftover rubbish. The dogs can have that later. Then all you do is press it down into your container. I've kept some containers so I can do this. That's made about just over half of that, which is 250 gram. Then you put that in the fridge. That's it, ready to go. So that's how you make butter.
That's what you have left.
And it makes about 250 gram, and that cream costs us £1.85. So fresh homemade butter, just the same price as regular butter. Thank you, bye bye.
Hope that helps. Bye.